Hey, CalmCool, for some reason I can't sign up for TwitchRpg. Hey, CalmCool, why does TwitchRpg say it's down for maintenance? CalmCool, TwitchRpg doesn't work. CalmCool, TwitchRpg is a scam. CalmCool, stop hogging all the free bits. I know you know how to get free bits. I know you know! This is how we do it when the vocals turn the rhyme and the beats start to collide and it starts to intertwine. Now it's sounding great. It's sounding great. What's going on, CalmCool community? I'm your host, CalmCoolSavage, aka the Bit God, and you're watching CCS TV. So recently, Twitch tweeted about TwitchRpg, but some of you still can't sign up because it says the site is under maintenance. In this video, I'm gonna try to give some solutions so that you can sign up to TwitchRpg to get free bits. You have to live in the US, and you have to do this on PC, or else it won't work. If it still doesn't work, but you still wanna get some free bits by watching ads on Twitch, check out the video above. If you don't know what TwitchRpg is a website where you can go and take surveys for free bits to improve Twitch. Now, recently, a lot of you have been trying to sign up to TwitchRpg to get some free bits, but every time you go to sign up, it says the website is under maintenance. So I got on a different web browser and went to rpg.twitch.tv, and this is what it says. Welcome to TwitchRpg. Not a member yet? We're performing site maintenance at this time, so if you visit us soon, sign up will be reopened. So basically, if you're a new member trying to sign up and you get this message, you're gonna have to wait till TwitchRpg reopens. I may have found a solution so that you can sign up to get into TwitchRpg. Just last month, on July 30th, Twitch tweeted something out about TwitchRpg, and this is what I found. Now, Twitch posted this July 30th, and it says sign up for TwitchRpg to take surveys, earn bits, and improve Twitch. Right below, I found this link that takes you to a login option. I will link it in the description. Once you click on it, it will take you to this page, Profiling Questionnaire. Welcome to Twitch's Research Power Group. TwitchRpg is a community over 60,000 global Twitch users who answer short surveys in exchange for bits. Your feedback helps improve advertising on Twitch, which allows your favorite streamers to earn money and sponsorships from some of the largest global brands. As a member, you'll be notified each time there's a new survey opportunity. So go ahead and click next, and it will take you to this page. Please click the button to sign into your Twitch account. Now, my Twitch account is already connected to TwitchRpg, so I want you guys to try this out if you can't sign up to TwitchRpg, and let me know in the comments below if it worked or not. I'm really hoping it worked for you guys because I really want to free the bits. And there you have it. This was a Twitch update for TwitchRpg and how to get free bits. I hope this helped you guys out, and I hope you can get some free bits. If you can't get free bits and the link did not work and it just keeps saying that you have to wait till they reopen because the site's under maintenance, unfortunately, I'm very sorry, you guys. You're just gonna have to be patient and wait till TwitchRpg reopens. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video. If you liked the video, hit up the like button. If you like the content on the channel, punch out the sub button, and until next time, keep it calm, keep it cool, keep it savage.